So one of the things that you can utilize Claude for is for actually creating PowerPoint slides as well. So for that, you can simply give it this prompt. So I'm just going to go around and say create a seven slide PowerPoint file. So I'm just going to go ahead and say this on importance of online education in today's world. I can go ahead and even say things like make sure to follow 6x7 rule and use a language so that even an eighth grader can understand it. So I can simply go ahead and say this right here. So I can go ahead and correct it and simply go ahead and hit send. And I did say to Claude to create a PowerPoint slide, the 7-slide PowerPoint file itself. So it actually goes ahead and gathers out the skill to go ahead and create out a PowerPoint slide. So you just need to go ahead and wait, and it'll go ahead and you can see it reads out the skill right here needed for PowerPoint, and will start generating PowerPoint right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So it says now I have all the things I need, and it goes ahead and it says now I'll build PowerPoint with 6x7 rule, which is max 6 words per bullet and 7 bullets per slide right here. And then you can see that by utilizing this rule, it is actually going ahead and using JavaScript code right here. You don't need to know the code. It's simply going ahead and typing this out to generate out the slide as needed. And you can see that it is now generating out the PowerPoint file right here because it has, let's say, finished creating out the main content. And in a while now, you'll have a PowerPoint slide right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here, just like this. It's making final changes right here. And you can see now it has given me the slide right here, which is completed. So it did all up the verification checks right here as well. And there you go, there's the 7th slide right here. So you can see that it included out the contents right here, and it included out visual data as needed as well. So let's just go ahead and download this, let's say for example. So I can go ahead and download this out right here. And then you can see that they are in the format of PowerPoint right here, as I said. So now what I can simply do is I can go ahead and then edit it out right here as I want. So I can go around over here, change this out if I want to, and so forth as per my need. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then create out presentations and slides using Claude easily like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.